Alright, wintertime, time to cover up that faucet. Next few days it's going to get down into the 20s. I built this box. I showed you how to do that in one of my other videos. This conforms to the underpinning. So let's see if it'll fit. Because now's the tail of the tail. I think I got it to where it will just sit right there, maybe. There it is. There it is. Now then, see, this just sits right on top of my underpinning. And underneath, let me cut the line on just in case. And underneath, it conforms so there ain't no gap. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's no gap underneath, there's no gap on the top, there's no gap on the sides. So it is ready to go. Now all we have to do is keep it attached to the wall where it don't fall off. I got two little screws here. There we go. And then over here on this side. I better swap hands is what I better do. There we go. Now then, it is winterized. I get all that junk off of it. Same color as the house, so you really can't tell it's there. And it's good for winter. Okay, I guess that's it for now. I'll see you in the spring.